Hi ninjas!
Hi Vikings.
Hi Viking.
Hi Centurions.
Hi Spartans.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi
campus!
Thank you for really opening your hearts up to us and being our campus. I know you didn't choose us to be your SLs, but I am very, very grateful.
Actually, I would like to thank each and every one of you for the energy, the smile, and your perseverance throughout the camp. The amount of times I see you campers stepping out of your comfort zone and making us SL, this really makes us SLs really happy.
I hope that these 2 days you have learned something meaningful from it. You have learned more about what you want to do in the future, and I really hope that you have found a home within Red Camp. Thank you for all the memories that we've shared, the bonds that we created, and for me, these things are really things that I will keep with me for a really long time.
I really love you all lots. Yeah, you all really made my day, especially when this is like I say, it's like my last RC. Then I just feel it's a good RC cause the fact that I get to bond with you all through all those conversations.
On behalf of all the student leaders, we are so proud of you guys for stepping out of your comfort zones and cooperating with us over the past 2 days. We know that it has definitely not been easy, and we thank you so much for your effort. And we just want to say all the best in your future endeavors, and we hope to see you in NgeeAnnPoly next year.
For the last time.
Spartans.
Oh!
For the last time, Vikings.
Yeah.
For the last time. Yes.
And for a very last time, Apaches!
Dante. And of course, I would like to end off with a quote. Life is like a ninja mission. Yaman your way through it. Yaman!